Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to English Real Practice, the channel where we keep it real, we keep it fun, and we help you speak English with actual confidence. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Ollie. Super happy to be here with you guys today. Sarah, honestly, I woke up this morning excited about today's episode.
Same, because today's topic, it is so useful. Like, you're going to use this in real life, guaranteed.
100%. Whether you're starting a new job, walking into a classroom, or just meeting someone new, today's topic is going to help you.
But before we jump in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now. You do not want to miss our episodes.
All right, let's get into it. Okay, Ollie, so today's topic is, drumroll please, tell me about yourself.
Oh, the classic. The one question that makes people freeze up like, where do I even start? Exactly. And that's the thing. It sounds so simple, but so many people don't know how to answer it naturally in English. Because nobody teaches you. They teach you grammar rules, but not how to actually talk like a real person. Right. So today, we're going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, using real everyday language.
Love it. And we're going to practice it together, right here, right now. Sarah, go ahead. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, me first. All right. Hi, my name is Sarah. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. So, where are you from?
I'm originally from Texas, but right now I'm living in Chicago.
Oh, wow, big move. Do you like Chicago?
I love it. It's busy, it's cold in the winter, like really cold. But the people are so friendly. What about you, Ollie?
I'm from California. Grew up near Los Angeles. And honestly, I miss the sunshine every single day.
I bet. Okay, so we've got names and where we're from. What's next?
Let's talk about what we do. Like, what's your job? What do you study? That kind of thing. Sarah, what do you do?
So I'm actually a teacher. I teach English. Surprise, surprise.
Obviously, the perfect job for this channel. And I'm a content creator. I make videos, I write, I do a little bit of everything.
See, and that's real life, right? Some people have one job, some people do multiple things. You can just say what feels true for you.
Exactly. You don't need to have a fancy answer. Simple is always better.
Okay, next one.